Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make samosa from the comfort of your home. Please do well to watch till the end to see how it was done. Don't also forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can like, comment and share this video. So let's begin. In my pot, I'll be adding in some oil. I'll let it get hot a bit before I'll go in with my chopped onion. So I'll just stir this for some seconds so it doesn't get burnt. Next, I'll go in with my minced meat and I'll give it a good stir. Next, I'll add the curry powder to it, and then I'll be adding some thyme to this. I'll also be adding some seasoning cubes to this, and I'll be adding my ginger. The ginger is actually optional. If you don't want the ginger, you can skip that part. So I'll give it a good stir and let it to cook for 5 minutes. But before that, I'll be adding some water to this. So I'll add in some water so it can cook. Once it's cooked, I'll be adding my spring onion. I'll also be adding my chopped carrots. And I'll give this a good stir. So I'll be adding some salt to this. I'll also give it a good stir. I'll be adding some corn flour to this to get a moist texture. And I'll stir this and just let it to cook for 1 minute. Once it's done, I'll let it cool before using it. So here I have my samosa wrap. I have my samosa filling and I have a plate where there's water in it. I added some flour to it to make my samosa paste. I'll be using the paste as the glue to hold my samosa wrap together. Once I get the consistency I need, I'll start my folding. If you have any question, please do well to leave it in the comment section and I'll give an answer. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can as well share this video for others to see. Thank you. So this is the way I fold mine. The other method you can use in folding yours, but this actually saves you the wrapper. You don't need much wrapper, samosa wrapper in this method. And while filling yours, please don't put too much so you can be able to close it. Because if it's not properly closed, it will end up coming out when you're frying your samosa. As you can see, all the sides are sealed. So I'm going to repeat the process with the remaining samosa wrap. Please, if you like this video, let me know in the comment section. So I'll be dropping a video of how I made this samosa wrap. So just stick to my channel. Once the video is out, you'll get it. Here I've wrapped all my samosa and next I'll be frying it. So I'll fry my samosa till it gets golden brown. So here it's my samosa. I'll take it out and let it to cool before serving. And my samosa is ready. Please, to see more of my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, share and also comment. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.